Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make candied strawberries ichigo-ame. Actually, it is gummy candy coated strawberries on a stick. It went viral on TikTok. I don't really watch TikTok, but I saw this idea on the internet the other day and found interesting because my kids love gummy candies, especially the果汁gumi. I think this idea is really good. The gummy coating makes the strawberries slightly sweet, not too sweet, and it won't stick on your teeth, easy to eat. If you have never tried it, please try it out. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out.
Here are the ingredients. You need strawberries and果汁gumi peach flavor. Of course, you can use any fruits or any gummy candies. But this one is the basic viral recipe, so you must try this first. Put one package of gummy candies in a microwavable container. Microwave at medium for 20 seconds. Wash and wipe the moisture off strawberries and coat with melted gummy candies. Then put them in iced water to set. Put on bamboo skewers to finish if you have is okay.
Almost done.
Very easy, right? Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
本当は普通のいちごが食べたかった。
あ、そうなの？いただきます。美味しいです。歯にくっつかないいちご飴好きです。美味しいです。ほのかに甘くてあまり甘すぎなくてお砂糖よりは食べやすいような気がします。ぜひ作ってみてください。